Hey everyone, my name is Dennis Pan. I currently work in SAP in Palo Alto. A hobby of mine is to create chatbots on SAP Conversational AI platform. This platform enables business users to create simple chatbots without needing programming skills. One awesome feature about the SAP Conversational AI is that it allows a user to create a simple FAQ bot within a minute. Once the FAQ bot got created, the user can simply upload a CSV file containing FAQ pairs to the bot, and within seconds, the bot will get trained and ready to chat with anyone. Today, I'm going to demo the COVID-19 FAQ bot I created on SAP Conversational AI. The motivation for this demo is that the COVID-19 pandemic has devastated communities worldwide, and globally as of April 9, 2020, we have more than 1.5 million coronavirus cases as well as more than 90,000 coronavirus deaths. Thus, it is important for health organizations to create mobile technologies, including chatbots, to provide good coronavirus information for people so they can better protect themselves against coronavirus while making the right life choices that could help end the coronavirus pandemic sooner and save more lives. Before starting this demo, I simply embed the webchat code snippet of this COVID-19 FAQ bot onto a HTML file and open the HTML file in Chrome. In this demo, on the HTML file I opened in Chrome, I simply ask the COVID-19 FAQ bot on coronavirus-related questions, and the bot replies me with appropriate answers. In the description of this YouTube demo video, you will see a link to this COVID-19 FAQ bot for you to chat with to get COVID-19 related information. So actually, I upload this HTML file with the web chat for COVID-19 FAQ bot onto AWS, and to create a shareable link I can share with anyone who wish to play with this COVID-19 FAQ bot. So let us start the demo. Just open the chatbot window by clicking this button, and it gives you a welcome message. You can ask questions such as, what is COVID-19? It takes a while. Okay, it gives you all the information you need about COVID-19 and links you can go to see more detailed information. I can ask, what is the latest news on coronavirus? And it gives you links on the latest COVID-19 news. Did this answer your question? I just say yes. How many people are infected with COVID-19? And it gives you a link that allows you to go to visit a dashboard that shows you the latest number of coronavirus cases, deaths, and recovered for the entire world or a specific country. Say if you want to know the number of coronavirus deaths for China or United States, you can go to this link and then search for China or United States or other country you're interested in the table, and look for relevant numbers on coronavirus cases, deaths, and recovered for the country. Did this answer your question? I just say yes. I can ask, what are the symptoms of coronavirus? And they give you a short list of symptoms that you can check for to see if you got coronavirus infection, so that you can make the right choice to protect others and yourself. Did this answer your question? I just say yes. And I can ask, what is the fatality rate of coronavirus? And this link gives you an infographic on the fatality rate of coronavirus by age group. And I even put a skull emoji to emphasize the point. And I can ask, how do I protect myself against coronavirus? And I put a face mask emoji to emphasize the point. I can ask, what is WHO or World Health Organization? And this even give you a link for you to go to WHO official website. So there are many fake news out there regarding coronavirus that may mislead people and actually could potentially kill more people. To avoid that, if you see a lot of news that are make you doubtful, just to be safe, go to WHO official website or CDC official website for the most accurate information to protect yourselves and people around you, so you won't get misled. Did this answer your question? I just say yes. I can ask how I can get tested for coronavirus and give you resources on how to get tested for COVID-19. And the second link here is about drive-through testing location in the United States you can go to get tested for COVID-19. So say, for example, you live in San Jose, California. You can go to this link and search for San Jose, California, and then you will see a location in San Jose that you can go to do drive-through testing for COVID-19. And if you feel that you want to know more about artificial intelligence used against COVID-19, you can ask how AI fight against coronavirus, and give you links you can visit to see articles regarding companies or organizations using AI to fight coronavirus or find good treatment to help people to recover faster. And lastly, if you have anxiety about preparing for coronavirus lockdown, you can ask, what should I prepare for coronavirus lockdown? And then it will give you resources you can use to help you deal with the lockdown better, including essential home supplies to stock up with, food and grocery delivery you can use to deliver food to your home without needing you to go out. And of course, social connection resources you can use to make sure that you don't get depressed and having mental issues while experiencing the lockdown. Thank you very much, and hopefully this chatbot will help you get good information about how to deal with coronavirus outbreak that is going on around the world. And everyone, please stay safe and stay at your home as much as you can until you got notified by the government or medical organizations that you can go out and enjoy life normally. But before they do that, please stay home and stay safe. And thank you very much and have a great day.